Meeoibagi Chingi Sharukta Leiriba Kayat sing Lu-Nanna Thambata NATTANA APHABA CHINJAK CHABAGI HEINABI THAMBA Yamnamak Mathou Tai HAINA Ministry of Health and Family Welfare gi Health Services ki Director General Professor ATUL GOEL na PHONGDOKKHRE Wafam masi National Public Health Dentistry Dega Iroinana RIMS Dental College ki Public Health Dentistry Department hangdokhiba chahi tarama pung pharakpagi ngasi RIMS ki Jubilee Hall da pangthokhiba thoramda mahang phongdokhibane utilizing behavioral Sciences to promote oral health haiba thim the RIMS ki Dental College ki Department of Public Health Dentistry na sinduna pangthokpa thoram aduda athoiba mitunglen oina sarukya aduna Professor Atul GOEL na hai Chindagi chinjak khudingmak haksang manungda changkhigada oibana oral health mapangal kanna thamba mathau tai karigumba oral health ki mapangal solabadi laina tilna kaya changlaktuna haksang da anaba makhal kaya mayok na hali mahangna makhata na hai hidak managi pothok sing Sizinabana maru oina maikhu amadi yu sizinabana oral health natana haksangi kayat kayada chauna sokhali hogolakliba mahairoi singna punsinduna mayai kaba chinjak amadi hidak managi pothok sing sizinaba thingnaba ihau sagat patangai phadrei loinana khunai miyamda phatraba hidak managi pothok sing yokhatnaba masak naiba mami kumhairoi singna advertisement tawriba sing asi Makhatana tawdanaba miyamna para tambiba changi nakalamromda doctor gi mathau haiba si ana layeng badu khaknate miyamda matau karamna hakchang fana thamgadagi haiba takpi tambiba sisu doctor amagi mathauni anaba singda maram chadana yamlaba hidak langthak sing chanaba pisinbagi mahuta hidak chadana sajelna fahanba ngamgadaba kanglon sing khanghanbaga loinana tangai fadana changdaba yadraba hidak langthak khaktamak piduna ana layeng biu haina mahangna makhataki
Please remember, history taking is a continuous process that continues for days, at times weeks. You will realize the history will come out from a patient spontaneously only if he develops confidence in you. He has the faith in you that you will be able to help him. So it's not a process of 20 minutes, 15 minutes. It's of a compulsion because of the number of patients we have in the OPD. Or the number of patients we have in the ward that we have to give less time to a patient. But then you can always come back in the evenings. My best learning as a resident used to be in the evenings when the work was over and I could talk heart to heart with my patients and know about their problems. And that kind of interaction brought out certain facts which were never known on the rounds, which were never known on the routine history that was taken. So you need to spend time with the patient to actually personalize the treatment. Do you have that time? Do you spend that quality time? Well, that's a question that you have to answer from within.
Ngasigi thawramaduda Ministry of Health and Family Welfare gi Additional Director Dr. L. Swasticharan, RIMS ki Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar, RIMS ki Medical Superintendent Professor N. Sanjeev, Dean Academics Professor Brogena Koizam, amadi RIMS ki Dental College ki Principal Professor B. Pravin Reddy na chingbana Presidium Member oina sarukya ki.